Good day.
Even though Entry Point is still in a demo state and the game is nowhere near to being complete, there are so many things already present and not enough explanations for some of them that I felt the need to make this video where I look at some random mechanics. This is focused solely on the kill house, cause it's just the hot thing right now. Now let me make it clear that everything that I analyzed was done with the laptop that I have, and I used several recordings and pictures to get to the conclusions that I did. That means that my information may not be 100% correct. It might be completely false. If you feel like I've made a mistake somewhere, point it out. I want to know the ins and outs of this game as much as possible. I'll first start off with the stuff that I couldn't fully analyze due to lack of information. SWAT units don't get any extra health on higher difficulties. With an unupgraded pistol, SMG, and rifle, I found that SWATs on any difficulty die in 2 hits to the head in close and medium distance. An unupgraded shotgun is a 1-hit headshot in close quarters. I don't have any damage numbers that indicate the amount of damage these weapons do, so I can't really say for sure how much health the SWATs are left on after a headshot of any of the weapons. SWATs die in 2 melee strikes. Again, the difficulty only changes the damage the SWATs deal. First aid kits restore a set number of health instead of a percentage of your max health. I figured this out by making a couple of runs where in one I did not get any of the vitality skills, and in the other I got 5, giving me 25% more health. Then, after recording my runs, I took 2 frames of the recording where the former was my health a split second before consuming the first aid kit, and the latter is the second after consuming it. I then took those frames and using pixel measurements found out that more of the health bar was restored on the run without any of the vitality skills, meaning that taking the vitality skills don't make you heal more of your health. Now, for some of the things that I did manage to measure. Let's first start with my least reliable information regarding reload speeds. The reason this spreadsheet is unreliable was due to the limitations of my laptop. The footage that I captured was only 15 frames a second, so I had to rely on the audio, which was captured perfectly, to make rough assumptions for all the reload speeds. But even then, other things could have went wrong, like lag spikes, me not spamming fast enough, the game glitching out and not firing, etc. So I sorted all of the valid footage and based the reload time from the second I pressed the R key to the second I shot, giving me these numbers. Note that the shotgun has 2 numbers. The one in the brackets is the one where the clip is empty, you reload 1 shell and you fire. The other is the time between 2 shells being loaded without interrupting the reload. Then, I took into account reload skills, but unlike ammo capacities, which I will mention later, I only tested 25% and 50% faster reload speeds, giving me these figures. You'll notice that the shotgun's load and pop speed doesn't change, meaning that it would make more sense to load in more shells before firing the shotgun. Again, these are my most uncertain statistics, so errors are very likely to be present. Sprinting. The skills only add 2 seconds to the base 10 seconds of stamina. I don't even know why I made this spreadsheet, just add 2 seconds for every skill point that you have. Ammunition reserves. This was very simple and I could have spent less time on checking the numbers if I wasn't paranoid of rounding errors. But here's everything that I've noticed. The guns don't have ammo reserves. You do. Most people already know this, but if you run out of ammo on your shotgun, picking up another won't give you more ammo in reserve. You'll just get that 1 clip already in the weapon. Same goes for every single other weapon. The pistol and SMG both share the same ammo pool, which is why you see them together in the graph. As a level 40 mercenary, and I found that this is possible only as a level 40 mercenary, you can spread your skill points very thinly to get 95% more ammunition. The rifle having a base ammo reserve of 40 means that it's the only weapon that doesn't have any anomalies when taking the ammo capacity skills. However, every 5th ammo skill, the shotgun gains an extra shell, but the SMG and pistol lose 1 bullet. I've marked these out as bold purple numbers. If you haven't noticed by now, the rifle gets 2 bullets for every skill point invested, the shotgun gets 1 shell and then 2 shells, and the SMG and pistol get 5 bullets and then 4 bullets.